Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses east central Oklahoma, most of Arkansas, southern Tennessee, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, and extreme southwestern North Carolina. Cities in today's enhanced include Memphis, Tennessee, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Huntsville, Alabama. There is a slight risk today that encompasses parts of eastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, parts of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, extreme southern Missouri, central Mississippi, central Alabama, central Georgia, all of South Carolina, most of North Carolina, most of Tennessee, southeastern Kentucky, and southern Virginia. Cities in today's slate include Charlotte, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Raleigh, North Carolina, and Norfolk, Virginia. And we have two marginals today, one covering eastern New Mexico, parts of Oklahoma, much of Texas, extreme southeastern Kansas, parts of Missouri, parts of Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, parts of northern Florida, southern Georgia, south central Illinois, parts of Kentucky, southern West Virginia, parts of Virginia, southeastern Maryland, and southern Delaware. And another marginal today covers eastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. Cities in today's marginals include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Arlington, Texas. Going to the tornado threat for today, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses eastern Oklahoma, far northeastern Texas, most of Arkansas, much of Tennessee, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, and far southwestern North Carolina. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Huntsville, Alabama. Going to today's wind threat, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers east central Oklahoma, much of Arkansas, northern Mississippi, southern Tennessee, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, and far southwestern North Carolina. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Huntsville, Alabama. So, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers parts of Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, far southern Missouri, northern and southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, central Mississippi, central Alabama, central Georgia, all of South Carolina, all of North Carolina, well, most of North Carolina, just about all of North Carolina, much of Tennessee, far southern Kentucky, and southern Virginia. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Charlotte, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Raleigh, North Carolina, and Norfolk, Virginia. And we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers eastern New Mexico, much of Texas, much of Oklahoma, far southeastern Kansas, parts of Missouri, parts of Illinois, parts of Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, southern Alabama, parts of northern Florida, southern Georgia, parts of Kentucky, southern West Virginia, parts of Virginia, southeastern Maryland, and southern Delaware. And another 5%, why'd you do that? Another 5% wind risk area today encompasses eastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Arlington, Texas. Going to the hail threat for today, we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, most of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, southwestern Tennessee, much of Mississippi, much of Alabama, and west central Georgia. Here's the 15% 15% hail risk. This is the hail risk. A 15% hail risk today encompasses Memphis, Tennessee, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Montgomery, Alabama, and Little Rock, Arkansas. And we actually have 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. One covering eastern New Mexico, much of Oklahoma, parts of Texas, southern Missouri, northern Arkansas, parts of Louisiana, extreme southwestern Kentucky, most of Tennessee, far southwestern North Carolina, far northwestern South Carolina, parts of Georgia, central and far northeastern Alabama, and central Mississippi. And I think this is another 5% hail risk today. Up here, I'm going to say, it's not shaded, but it is outlined, so I'm going to assume that's a 5% hail risk. They're having a 5% hail risk up here too. So the 5% up here today encompasses eastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. Here's the 5% hail risk areas today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Nashville, Tennessee, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. So, in summary, 1 or more organized clusters of thunderstorms may evolve and overspread a corridor from the southeastern Great Plains through parts of the Tennessee Valley and northern Gulf Coast states today into tonight, potentially producing swaths of damaging wind gusts. So, that's the day one outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight, and have a way of getting your warnings today and tonight, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And before you go to bed tonight, have something to wake you tonight, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And if possible, sleep in your safe spot tonight to avoid having to move during the night. So, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight, and my day 2 outlook will come out this afternoon. Take care.